What's up, you guys? This is your girl Malia. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about some tips and tricks on how to keep your hair healthy. These are some really basic tips, but you'd be surprised how many people underestimate some of these things that you can be doing or not doing to your hair to keep it healthy. The first tip on how to keep your hair healthy is to drink water, you guys. Make sure you are drinking enough water. If you are not drinking enough water, your hair is going to be dry and brittle, and I can tell you there's nothing worse than that. You need to at least be drinking 6 to 8 cups of water a day. What I do is, just because I'm really bad about this, you guys, I'm going to be totally honest with you, I am horrible at drinking water. I just don't think about it throughout my day. So what I do to make sure that I kind of count out how much water I'm drinking is I put out a 60s or 16-ounce bottles of water, so I put 4 of them out on my counter before I start my day, so that way I know kind of throughout the day can keep up with what I've been drinking. So that's just a little tip. My second tip on how to have healthy hair, and this one is a lot of women do this, and I know I did this and made this mistake, brushing my hair when it was wet with a paddle brush, okay? This is the worst thing you can do, ladies, is to brush your hair when it's wet with a paddle brush. What you need to do instead is use a wet brush. You can get this at Sally's or any beauty supply store. I think they run about 20 bucks. So this is so important to do, because what happens, ladies, is when your hair is wet, the hair shaft of the hair actually expands and swells, and it makes it more brittle, so it's easier to break when it's wet. And so a wet brush, what it is it has like longer bristles on it, and they bend with the hair, so they're gentler on the hair. So I really encourage you, just pick up a wet brush. It's going to save your hair. Alright guys, the third tip on how to keep your hair healthy is to invest in a good hair mask, you guys. This is the Macadamia Professional Ultra Rich Moisture Mask. I love this mask. I found this one works best for my hair. I love that it's sulfate free, it's free of parabens, it's color safe, so it's not going to dull out your hair if you highlight or color your hair. And the other thing I want to mention about using a good weekly mask is to make sure that you don't use a mask that has protein in it. I'm not saying that protein isn't good to use in your hair, it's just you don't want to use it on a weekly basis. I would only use a protein mask maybe once to twice a month. And it causes the hair to swell, and it does cause it to break. So a lot of people don't know that, so make sure when you are using a weekly mask to check the ingredients and make sure it doesn't have protein in it. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. I post videos every Friday, so make sure you subscribe to my page and click on that bell so you get a notification when I drop a video. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Peace.